Good, everybody? It's H back with another 12 Hub TV video. Today we're going to look at a very different shoe. It's going to be an unboxing. That's why I got the gloves on today. But yeah, this one's going to be special. I haven't done an unboxing in a minute. This one's just different. It's one of those shoes that I was trying to go after. There's a few colorways of it. It's kind of one of those quote-unquote experimental models, and that's actually the name of the shoe. So yeah, let's just get right into it. It's the Air Force One Experimental N354, and some of y'all may know what that is, but I'll get into the history of it in a minute. Let's go. The N354 division of Nike is sort of like ISPA, but instead of taking elements of different shoes and turning them into new shoes, it puts a new twist on existing models. So they've done different things with Blazers, Air Force Ones, the N354 type Air Force One, which came out in 2019. I have a couple pairs of those. Those are very dope. The Experimentals Air Force Ones came out between, I think, in late January. The first model came out, which was a pink one, and then Europe got a sale model, which is very dope, and then the US got a black. So yeah, I ended up picking up the black off the sneakers app and got it right here. So just want to check it out with y'all. It's a very, very crazy looking shoe, and I'll just go right into like what it's all about. So, yeah, here's the box. Typical Air Force One box. The N354s, I believe they came in, the Air Force Ones came in a black box. So just a little different. This is just typical Nike Air Force One box. Typical paper for the Air Force One here. Check that out. Nothing special to look at there. But this shoe is very unique in a way, and I'll tell you why in a second. I'm going to pull them both out. Wow, that's different. Alright. So, and it comes with a sticker. Oh, that's cool. So here's a sticker. Ever since 2019. Did I say yeah, ever since 2019. That was the first year they started dropping these shoes. And they all sell out. Resell on them tends to fluctuate. Right now, with Air Jordan 1s and like the market being kind of flooded with specialty shoes, and then also Dunks being back in style, shoes like this are taking a back seat. Same with like the ISPA stuff. Remember, I know I mentioned in another video that these types of shoes are going to be the wave, and they will be. It just takes some time, because people who are buying up Yeezys and Air Jordan 1s and all that are going to fall back and start recognizing, oh shoot, I missed out on Road Warrior, I missed out on the over breaks or any of those other types of shoes. So me personally, I love them. I buy them all the time, and that's been my MO for a while. And these are the types of shoes I like to look at on the channel. So yeah, this one right here, look at this. This is straight up black Air Force One, but look at the way. So I saw the pink ones first, okay, and the pink one looked crazy. I looked at it, I was like, what is that? It looked like it was melting. It had all this extra stuff on it. I'm looking here at these, and I can see what they were trying to do now. It's got this weird, I guess this is like a plastic cover, like a shrink wrap on top, but it just ends at the where right just under the midsole, and covers up the air and everything like that. You kind of see that right there if you get in the light. And then you have your black sole. This is the black version. So there's the pink, and then there's the sail. The sail is the best one. That only came out in Europe from my understanding. I need to get those. I'm gonna get them. Deconstructed Tongue kind of sits much lower than a regular Air Force One tongue, in my opinion. So you'll see that's just foam, exposed foam on there for Deconstructed. And this crazy lacing system has two different laces. So there's a pull tab here, pull tie tab thing. So you can pull on that, or you can lace up regular. So you can wear your laces loose on this and still have a snug fit under where the tongue is. I think that's why the tongue is so low. Or these are just laced up really high. I don't think these are made out of anything, any leather. I think it's more, I want to say some kind of knit, or it feels soft, like fly knit sort of under here, but I really can't tell. The craters in it just look crazy. Like the craters go all the way around the shoe. And then if you go back here, look at the top, look at the back. The Nike Air is flipped upside down. You can't really see it on the black ones that much, but it's flipped upside down. And then the tag right there, this label is your guarantee of quality. The quality shoe, people. It's a quality shoe covered in cratery, plasticky stuff. Air Force One black, typical stick-up boy garb. Black hoodie, black pant, black jeans, black Air Force One when you pull the jukes. It's a New York thing. Shout out to Casanova 2X and everybody doing work out there, or has done work. These are dope. The only thing I don't like about them is like why the red tips on the laces? Why red tips, Nike? I don't get that. And the blue, come on. Pull tab, blue, just random blue, just anywhere. And the blue around here. I mean, this is not as noticeable, but I'm definitely going to rock these. I love the way they look. I'm going to look for a picture of these deconstructed online for y'all. Give y'all a taste of what it looks like deconstructed. But yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to give y'all a quick overview of this shoe because it's wild what Nike's doing. I like the way they do these things in limited quantities, I guess. They sell out all the time. Resellers think that they're going to sell, but crazy people like me buy them. And that's about it. But yeah, you tell me what you think about the N354 experimental. And get at me in the comments. But yeah, there's going to be some good stuff coming. I am proud to say that we are at 1,500 subscribers as I am speaking right now. So I announced it's been faster than I thought, even though I took a little bit of a break the past few weeks with the content. As you saw, I dropped a flurry of videos recently, and I'm going to be dropping more consistently. Like I said, the puppy's doing great. She took her first picture with a Nike product today, which was amazing. It was so cute, and I will show it to you here. And there are a lot of good things coming down. I got a couple of surprises as far as pickups there go. You'll see when I do the videos once I get the shoes. Yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this shoe. Again, I want to know what the public thinks. I am in awe of it, per usual. I like weird shit. I want to hear what y'all think about it, because this is a crazy shoe. All this weird plasticky material and whatever, you know. This looks like it's comfortable though. It does look like it's comfortable for what it's worth. It just looks weird. Anyway, like, subscribe, get at me. This is H, and I'm out. Peace.